Hey, what's up, guys and gals? Then we're gonna be opening the 2025 B case. Let's open her up. Take a look at what we got in here. And we got a 55 Chevy, black and gold, which I think is a very gorgeous 55 Chevy if you ask me. Then we got a 88 Jeep Wagoneer. It's pretty cool. We got a Tesla Model S Plaid, if you like the Teslas. We got the Vanister, one of them art cars. And we got a 67 Chevy C10, which I think is pretty cool. I like them old Chevy trucks. And we got the Mazda MX-5 Miata, which looks kind of like a rally car, but it looks pretty cool. And we got a Proton Saga, like just a plain Jane white car. And we got those small block. Not really a big fan of those, but I guess they're different. And we got the old Batman and Robin mobile, which can't but one person ride in it, so I don't know why it's Batman and Robin. And we got the cool Kowloon D Hypervan or something, pet transport. And we got Nissan Skyline, LBWK, look like a tune car, Liberty Walk. We got another Nissan Skyline GTR, black. And we got a Fish D Chip D. And look at there. It is the treasure hunt. Yes. It's pretty nice. And we got a Purple Passion. It's cool. I love these old 80L Caminos. Things are pretty sharp. I like these things. And we got old Ford Mustang GTD. Nothing's hot about them, but they pretty cool, I guess. And we got the old haulerback. Got the old haul truck. It's pretty neat, new 2025. We got that old big old Mazda AutoZam. Big old tire things. Then we got a 90 Civic EF, Honda Civic EF VTEC. It's a pretty good looking old little wagon. And we got a 21 Ford Bronco. It's pretty neat if you like Broncos. And we got another 67 Chevy C10. And we got an 87 Audi Quattro. It's pretty nice. And that's another Nissan. And we got a custom 55 Chevy. Looks like Tiki Time. That's pretty cool. It's got a see-through hood on it. Overall nice. Then we got an old Morgan Super 3. We got an 84 Audi Avant wagon. It's pretty cool. And we got another Max Steel here. And we got a dessert car, what I call them, donut drifter. Donut car. And we got the old X34 land speeder. And we got the Super Twin Mill, which I think is one of the best twin mills they put out. It's pretty neat. I kind of like it. New for 2025. And we got a Mazda Repu. It's a pretty nice looking little truck. And we have a Hiroshima Merc. They kind of like the Purple Passion, don't they? Hiroshima Merc, something like that. And then we got a Fiat 500e. Little compact king cars. We got some kind of ghoul car. Monster High. Oh, baby, there it is. There's the Super Treasure Hunt right there. The Hiroshima Merc, whatever you pronounce it. So I got the Super Treasure Hunt and the Treasure Hunt. That's a good deal right there. And we got another Batman and Batmobile. And we got another Ford Mustang GTD. And we got an X-Racer. Not a real fan of X-Racers. This is a Nerve hammer. But if you like them, they're pretty cool, I guess. Looks like we got a Mudzilla. It's like a little Power Wheels card on it. We got an Alpha Pursuit. It's not too bad looking police car. We got another Pet Transport. Got another small block. Got another Audi Quattro. And we got a Dior 3. Dior 3. And we got another Alpha Transport. And another Batman Robin Batmobile. And another hauler truck. Got a 66 Buick Riviera, which is pretty doggone fine. I think they are. It's a pretty good looking car. And we got a DMC DeLorean. Got some funky colors on it, don't it? Weird. And we got another Nissan Skyline. And we got another Mazda Miata. And we got a Draftinator. X-Racer. Ain't too bad looking old truck, I guess. We got a Subaru BRZ. That big old wing on the back. It is a pretty neat looking car now, I gotta tell you. Got a Mario Kart. Standard kart. Old Mario. Who used to play Mario? And we got a twin mill. Ain't too bad looking old twin mill. It's old Gen E. We got a custom Cadillac Fleetwood. Big old long car. And we got one of them old Morgan Super 3s or whatever. And we got another nerve hammer. And we got a key swap. Little van new for 2025. And we got another custom Cadillac. And we got a little Ford Maverick custom truck though. 22 model. Ford truck to be exact. Not bad looking. And we got a 2020 Ram Rebel. First response. It's pretty neat. Now the Batmobile, what's that make, about 5? 21 Ford Bronco. You got another Riviera. Another DMC DeLorean. Another small block. That's about 4. Another Nissan Plaid. Another Max Steel. Finally a new one. Lamborghini Huracan Sterrata. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. That's pretty cool. I like it. And another twin mill. And Keep Start. Looks like a side-by-side and a golf cart combined, if you want to know what I think about it. Well, I did get the Super Treasure Hunt and the Treasure Hunt, so that was good. Anyway, check out my other videos of 164 scale racing. I show old cars, new cars, old 5-packs, new 5-packs, weird cars. Check it out. Please like and subscribe.